Hello, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever be the time you're watching me. This is Prophetess Anne that is talking. I know it will be quite surprising to some of you that have known me before. Well, that's just life. There's a time which God called you for a purpose and which you just have to attend that purpose. There's no way to, let's say, when they say God has arrested you and you just need to be that person, that person which God have called you, and work according to the purpose of your calling. Well, I want to talk of the fact that many people have been misled today. There have been too much misled in the fact that they believe that there is no judgment day. They believe that Jesus died for our sins. They believe that the fact that Jesus died for our sins, it means that you should keep on walking in a sinful path. Jesus is love. Yes, for sure, Jesus is love. You should do anyhow. The old commandment doesn't work again. He came and he changed everything. Well, I have something for you. Jesus didn't change anything. Let's see what Jesus says in the book of Matthew 5 from 17 to 22. We take Matthew 5:17. It says, "Do not think that I have come to destroy the law." Let me take it again. Okay, let me take it in King James Version so you understand well. Matthew 5:17. "Think not that I am come to destroy the law or the prophets. I am not come to destroy but to fulfill. For verily I say unto you, till heaven and earth pass, one jot or one tittle shall in no wise pass from the law till all be fulfilled. Whosoever therefore shall break one of these least commandments, and shall teach men so." What did he say? Whosoever shall break one of these least commandments, and shall teach men so, he shall be called the least in the kingdom of heaven. But whosoever shall do and teach them, the same, he shall teach them, the same shall become great in the kingdom of heaven. For I say unto you, that except your righteousness exceed that of the scribes and Pharisees, ye shall in no case enter the kingdom of heaven. Ye have heard that it was said by them of the old time, Thou shalt not kill, and whosoever is angry with his brother without a cause shall be in danger of judgment. Some people say there is no judgment, that Jesus did not come to judge. Tomorrow we will see another one where he says that he came for war. He came for mother and father to be separated. Let's continue. "And whosoever shall say to his brother, Raka, shall be in danger of the council. But whosoever shall say, Thou fool, shall be in danger of hell fire." Final 22. "But I say unto you that whosoever is angry with his brother without a cause shall be in danger of judgment." My brethren, my beloved sister, my beloved brothers, there is no way we will pass away from judgment. Jesus never changed anything. There is nothing Jesus came to change from the Old Testament, because so many have neglected that part. They say they live without a law. What is there in the law, in the law of the Old Testament? What is there? Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not accuse a brother. There are so many. So are you saying that those things don't have use? What is he saying? Jesus is saying that if anyone abolish the least of the commandment and teaches other people to do the same, he shall be the least in the kingdom of heaven. I mean, are we together?